The Ministry of Industry, Investment and Commerce MIIC supports several critical growth-inducing sectors spread across the island. Meet the visionaries behind the state's provision of an enabling environment where businesses grow, flourish and expand beyond our shores.
The ministry provides a range of services to support MSME growth and development in Jamaica. Some of these include capacity building services for MSMEs' access to traditional and non-traditional financing for business development, technical assistance for MSMEs' digitalization and digital transformation, support for entrepreneurship and business startups, business formalization services, and facilitation services for MSMEs' participation in public procurement.
The Business Ministry's MSME division is committed to MSME growth and development.
The trade unit provides technical support and advice to local manufacturers and exporters in areas focusing on rules of origin, market access, as well as technical barriers to trade, which impact manufacturers accessing international and regional markets. Our services include advocacy for the business community, including local manufacturers and exporters, representation of issues affecting trade at both the international and the regional level. We also assist in developing policy positions at international negotiations and developing both defensive and offensive positions. Finally, we also do assist, or we do provide the private sector with technical advice in terms of providing assistance, policy recommendations or guidelines on issues impacting trade and how we can navigate to increase trade and increase exports.
The Business Ministry's trade unit is committed to increasing trade and growing exports.
The Commerce Division supports the competitiveness of Jamaican businesses through the following service offerings. We process applications to allow for the suspension of the common external tariff, which allows for the importation of raw materials and other manufacturing inputs duty-free. We also prepare certificates under the safeguard mechanism that enable the manufacturing sector to use inputs from non-CARICOM markets and still have their products qualify for duty-free access to the CARICOM region. We also provide trade information to CARICOM on the ability of local companies to supply goods to the region. Additionally, we process applications from entities to remove limited from the names of companies in keeping with Section 16 of the Companies Act.
The Business Ministry's Commerce Division is committed to enabling business success.
The Investment Division facilitates both foreign and local direct investments by improving the business environment through laws, regulations, incentives, and international agreements and treaties.
The Business Ministry's Investment Division is committed to increasing investments in Jamaica.
The division is responsible for implementing certifiable quality management systems in ministries, departments, and agencies with a particular focus on ISO 9001.
The Business Ministry's ISO Quality Division is committed to a culture of quality and promoting quality management systems across the public and private sectors.
In the Industry Division, we offer two key services to support local manufacturing and other businesses. We process applications for the Productive Inputs Relief Incentive for Manufacturing, and this offers duty-free entry of your raw materials, capital equipment, intermediate goods, and packaging materials to go into your production process. Permits in this regard are valid for up to 3 years. Secondly, we process applications for special permits for the export of restricted items under the Trade Scrap Metal regulations. The export of these restricted items, such as scrap copper or train tracks, is prohibited without the approval of the Minister of Industry, Investment and Commerce. Note that special permits are valid for one shipment only.
The Business Ministry's Industry Division is committed to manufacturing growth and sustaining industries. This is Jamaica's Business Ministry, driving the island's push towards First Nation status and the place of choice to live, work, raise families, and do business.